Hi, this is Young. Let's start today with the drum rolls. Ta-da! Now let's open this box. I bought Mavic Air Fly Mode combo in Arctic White. It comes in white and black, which are matte, and red, which is glossy. I chose white because it matches with my current Spark. Look at the bag. It's in nice denim-like quality, and it's actually smaller than the bag given in Spark Fly Mode combo. And it has a pocket that's quite large. This is a neat looking case for Mavic Air. A set of propeller guards, very handy for indoor flight, and spare propellers, battery to power bank adapter, and other accessories. And this is remote controller. I love its compact design. Control sticks are actually inside, as you can see. All you need to do is just screw them up. It saves up a lot of space in the bag, and it's so handy to travel with. This is made with hard rubber, so it's very secure, but DJI provides you with a set of spare ones. To use remote controller, you need to connect your mobile devices into RC cable. Take the slider off, push the RC cable into your mobile device. Just make sure that the long part of antenna is facing the device when you're flying. Now what's inside the bag? Battery charging hub, 2 more batteries, AC power. Now this is the most exciting! The beauty! Mavic Air. The white matte finish, it's so beautiful. It's very posh and the device is so small. Micro SD card and communication cable goes in here. And this cap protects 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal. This is how the bag is supposed to be used. Mavic Air fits well quite nicely inside the bag. But how I would use it is take all the dividers out, except the remote control, and put Mavic Air in the hard casing, put 2 batteries in, and that's it. To start Mavic Air, I need to fully charge the batteries. So once you put them into the charging hub, it doesn't charge all the batteries simultaneously. The one with the highest remaining power is charged first. What's great about the battery is that I can use the adapter provided to charge my phone as well as RC.
Yeah!
This weekend I'll be testing Mavic Air. If you want to see reviews of and videos from Mavic Air, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon!